Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Good evening, sir and ma'am. We are the team of Dimension. I am Nagadivya. He is Chandu. He is and he is Hemant. Our problem statement is taken from the Ministry of Jal Shaktis. Our problem statement is early decomposition of fecal matter, which is very useful for the environment. We have found a better solution for this problem statement. Our project is not only hardware project, it is also a biotech project.
When we flush the toilet, the solid and liquid matter goes to the filter. At the filter, the solid and liquid matter will be separated. Solid matter will goes to the drainages through pipes, and the separated solid matter will stay at the filter. At there we heat the solid matter because of solid contains the pathogens which causes the odor smell. To decrease the odor smell, we are using the heaters to heat the solid matter. After that, with a specific angle, we lift the filter, and the filter will move, and the solid matter will move to the septic tank. At the septic tank, we inbuilt built the horse dung or cow dung or earthworms with black soil, which are used to decompose fastly naturally. And to measure the level of the tank, we are using ultrasonic sensor to know how much level it is filled, and we are using a node MCU for that purpose to get the message also to the phones.
Our project is not only different from all other projects, because we are not only decomposing the fecal matter. Here we are using that decomposed fecal matter as a fertilizer. Which nowadays the farmers are using a more chemical fertilizers, which is very harmful for the consumer and the soils. So by our project, the natural decomposed fecal matter can be used as a fertilizer, natural fertilizer, which is very helpful for the soil and also the consumers.
Coming to the barriers of our project, we have mainly focused on the two barriers: lack of awareness, which the people living in the rural areas, they did about know that human waste is converted into the useful thing. So we want to overcome this barrier by publishing our project in the villages. And second one is land availability. We are working in a minimized land availability, and we have done our project in very small area. So we want to overcome this problem. So we are linking with the e-labs, which are used to work on our project more efficiently. Next, coming back to the lean canvas. Lean canvas, a plan of our project. The lean canvas consists of several blocks, and mainly we have taken the problem of long decomposition process, and the tank is filling so fastly, and the collected human waste is directly thrown into the any drainage material, so it causes the water pollution and odor is increasing. We are overcoming these problems into our better solution. We are decomposing our fecal matter very fastly, and the filling of the tank is very slow. So because we are filtering the solid content and as well as liquid content, and we are reducing the odor. Coming to the unique value proposition, we are using two methods: separation of water and solid is using filter. This method is one of the unique, and drying of fecal matter to kill the pathogens and decreasing the smell. Next, the unfair advantages of our project. Decomposition is a natural process that helps to recycle the nutrients which are present in that fecal matter. Next, the customer segments in our project, mainly municipalities and government agencies, waste management system, and public and health organizations. While coming to the channels of our project distribution, we are distributing our channels into the direct sales and online platforms and distribution sellers and demonstration projects. Our key metrics of our project is decomposition rate and measuring the pH values and the temperature and energy production, which are the measuring things we are using on our project. Next, coming to the cost structure, we have the fixed cost structure because we have using the certain particular components and to maintain the easy to maintenance and energy consumption which is low. Next, our revenue streams are waste management services, byproduct sales, consulting services, and government contracts. And the total outcome of our block diagram is represented, and collected waste material is through the separation of a fecal matter and through the filter, and it is dying because to kill the pathogens, and it is directly collected into the septic tank, which is consist of the natural resources to fastly decompose our fecal matter.
Now, the main applications of our project are nowadays the septic tank is filling within 1 year, but by using our process, it will be filled nearly 7 to 8 years. And the dried fecal matter, the decomposed fecal matter will be used as fertilizers to the farmers, and give the farmers as a fertilizer soil for many years, lifelong years. And this is a daily work. There will be no loss in it.
How
And
distributed is this? Does the unit that you are mentioning, does it go in every household or can it be in a society, in an apartment altogether? How distributed is it?
at first we go to B2B, that means business to business. We consult a municipality officer and we will do some work there.
Honey, your product, your whatever mechanism you have made now, will it be deployed in every washroom, or it can be for every apartment, let's say? Because you see, apartments have thousands of washrooms in a single building, so that's something coming in volume. So now, like, can it be at a unit like that, or every household, every washroom needs to have this?
Sir,
At what level can you process this?
For every house we can make that. At apartments means we can take only one big septic tank and we can make it.
Is it
sir.
applicable even it's let's say if it collects after at a septic tank of a apartment, not every household? Still does it hold your mechanism?
Yes, sir.
It will still work. Then how is it different than a STP? Generally, they have the sewage treatment plants, no, which are much far. Let's say they are for a town, something like that. How is this different?
They are not dividing the solid and liquid straight, sir. Here we are dividing the solid and liquid. That liquid will be connected to the drainage. So by this solid, the septic tank lifetime also will be very lesser, very more. Normally, if both the solid and liquid mean, the septic tank will be filled very fast. For our project, it will be very more lifetime.
There will be a small amount of biogas will be also liberated, sir. We can use cylinders like storage cylinders. That gas we can store it and we can use as a cooking gas also too.
There are some very pressing problems that you are solving, but projected. Now you see,
I think how you will do the collection, all that thing is going to be an issue. No, you need to have somewhere it has to come, at a spot.
It is very cheap, ma'am.
Cheap, ma'am.
Because we are using only all of the natural products, so it is very cheap. Nowadays, we can see that the farmers are buying the cow dung and horse dung, no, ma'am. So in that case, we are using this as the fertilizer. Then the cost of septic tank will be equal to the, when you take a cost, if it is a 5,000, then you can send this natural fertilizer as a 6,000. Then you are getting a profit also then.
how modular is that? If can it go under already? Does it go in a house which is going to be constructed, or already construction can take this module?
We can already construct it also, because only we are changing only septic tank, right? So we can use in already constructed houses also.
So what is the competitive landscape, like competitive analysis have you done?
That means there will be no competitive for the biotech, sir. Mainly we have only some which are not implemented in India. In Japan there will be some.
There is one woman entrepreneur from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
You need to know.
Have you heard of her?
Banka Bayolu.
Banka Bailu, Namita Banka. But
No, she is an inspiration for you.
they are doing,
people you want
they are
to
making bio loos, toilets,
Oh.
which are like you can be installed anywhere. But you are doing something different. She's also getting into this segment, so have a look.
Try to understand, borrow some ideas if possible, or work on something as a challenge if they are facing.
We have made 3 months of work about this in our e-lab, sir. After that, we get the result. We have kept for SIH only, and we have selected there.
And in your revenue streams,
We got a patent grant for it.
can be Unlike municipal, yes, municipal would be getting those implemented CSR funds. I mean, big societies.
Yes.
It's a challenge for them to handle it. So why not deploy it?
Yes. Yes.
And it is like they are doing it. If they like it, it is going to repeat in all those 100 units in a apartment. So you can target that segment.
Yes.
Okay, good.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.